Let's talk about knives. Mitchell, could you please explain me about knives?
So here we have your diamond knife steel. This is for sharpening.
Sharpening, very important thing, yeah?
Here we have a paring knife.
Paring knife,
We have a bread knife,
bread knife,
a vegetable knife, a chef's knife, a filleting knife, another chef's knife in a Japanese style, a meat cleaver, a pair of scissors, and a pizza cutter. So here we have a paring knife.
yeah.
We use this for cleaning mussels, peeling fruit and veg,
Yes.
and then here we have a veg or fruit knife. We use this for chopping up fruit and veg, as it says in the name. This is your general everyday use chef's knife. This is a bread knife, so bread, pastries, that's what that's used for. Again, we have another chef's knife for everyday use,
Yes.
just in a different style. We have our diamond steel, which is used for sharpening knives. Our filleting knife, which has a nice bendy blade,
Yeah.
used for filleting fish.
Yes.
And the bend is used so we don't get any bone.
Yeah.
We
So
then-
it's so flexible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We then have our meat cleaver. This is for chopping through bones and big pieces of meat.
Yeah. And I love this knife actually.
There is a pizza cutter.
yeah.
Pretty self-explanatory. Cut the pizza with it.
Yeah.
And scissors.
Yeah.
Everyone has used a pair of scissors before.
Yeah. And I love this knife. This is only one knife in Japanese kitchen or Asian kitchen. Huh? That's all about knife.